Yo, you know what, Faith, as I'm about to sleep right now, I'm actually thinking about this game, Yeah, into Pagania, bruh. As much as like I'm a Kosi fan, but I can't laugh with Pagania about the way abaphume ngakhona vele, if I'm being honest, because like they showed another different level. Like ipola bebadlala, it was so exceptional, it was so good, bruh, yabo. It made me to like I'm proud to believe you, bruh. Like you always like but feel like in a certain way, like the vibe and stuff, especially with the people that's being paid now, but it was just like some different vibe. Trust me, it was some different vibe because after Asuna Police scored the third goal, like feeling bacon. I was even like celebrating, bruh, because like it was the thing in which I saw Abanda, they were genuinely happy, and I just became one of like them. As much as being mini available, but I just became one of them, and I just wanna say hard luck. Tumbu Tuma available for missing the penalty. I hope Lentilem destroy the ball available. He must always remember ukuthi kuzokufika nakuma-penalty vele, but it was also because of him. And then to hold to also like it is a thing like ama-penalties are just 50-50 vele, but the boys today really showed hunger, they really showed the fight vele. As much as I wouldn't want them to win a second star vele, but what a beautiful game. And if they won this game today, I was going to say this with confidence, which like Bagania is taking care. I don't know what you all are thinking, but yeah, man, beautiful game. Asuna Police, what a player. Thank you.